God. 7 Adam to Central. That crane job you sent us on. It's bigger than we thought. We're gonna need a major mobilization right away.
Shut up down with the generator!
Okay, Gwen, I've got a secret. It's my copier. What is that thing doing in my background?
They can't shut down the crane.
Get Edison on the phone. Have them kill the power to the whole block.
Are you all right?
It's coming back!
Oh my God, that's Gwen.
What? What's she doing up there?
I don't know, I just saw her last night. She said she had a modeling gig.
Who are you?
It's Brock, sir. Edward Brock Jr. I work at the Daily Bugle. And I'm dating your daughter.
To infinity and beyond!
Job well done, lad.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Hey, Spidey, hold on. Bugle needs a photo. Thank God you're okay.
Daddy!
Hey, I'm the new guy. New guy?
You okay?
Now on, I am gonna be taking shots of you for the Bugle. So, smile. Are you smiling? Just kidding. They got a guy. Who, Parker? Yeah, look, just between you and me, guy's kind of an amateur. Have you noticed his stuff makes you look a little bloated? Just, yeah, a little chunky. Okay. But you don't have to worry about that anymore, buddy.
See ya!